What's up, YouTube? Been a hot minute since you've seen this pretty beard up on this YouTube channel. Got a special episode for you today. With me, I have Kaylee Woodard. And Nick Woodard. These guys are some of the best jump ropers in the world. Kaylee, how many world championships do you have?
I have 6 world championships.
That is 6 world championships. And Nick?
I have 14 world championships.
14. That is 20 world championships, guys. That's 2 10s. That is so epic. And today we're going to be filming all of their awesome moves in ultra slow motion. Stay tuned. Let's go.
What have you got to say? My heart is on display, but I'm not afraid. Yeah, I'm not afraid. Why you looking crazy? I've been getting dizzy, trying not to keep you in mind. Now all the dirty thighs and suddenly enticing since you came back in my life. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. Do what you gotta do, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. You left without a line. Was it by design? If what you want is time, don't go wasting mine. Don't be wasting mine. When it's starting to get old, I'm not trying to be cold. I just think it's time that you see that I can be forever. Guess it's now or never, but for you to get with me. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. Do what you gotta do, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, been waiting for you, been waiting for you.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed that stuff. If you want to check out Kaylee and Nick's social media accounts, their website, all that, I'm going to leave links in the description down below, as well as you can check out their socials right there and there.